everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup whenever I have exams. So if you're interested, then let's start. I have already moisturized and prepped my face and used sunblock, so all of the skincare steps are done. I'm just gonna go on with my foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible Freshwear Foundation, and I am in the shade Radiant Sand 250. I usually wear makeup whenever I have exams because in the event that I have to face a really difficult exam, at least I would still feel pretty, and that in turn helps me boost my confidence, and it also helps me lessen my anxiety as to how to attack a certain exam. So whenever I feel like I'm going to face a really difficult exam, I always go glam on my makeup. That is my way of slaying an exam. So even though I will receive a failing mark, at least I failed beautifully. I mean, it just makes me feel good about myself. I don't know if you're like that too, whether in school or in work. So let me know in the comments down below. I don't really wear a lot. I mean, I try to make it school friendly. But one thing's for sure, when I'm doing makeup looks during exam days, I want it to be fierce and bold because I want to defy my difficult exams. Oh my god, does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Well, I'm just putting on some concealer as usual. I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Honey. This one is so good for a drugstore concealer, and I get why a lot of YouTubers call it their OG Holy Grail concealer. Also, a disclaimer, I am not naked. I have a true tank on because it's so hot here that I don't have the energy to wear something with sleeves. So yeah, if you're wondering. Anyways, I'm just gonna fluff my brows using this brow gel. It's the Vice Cosmetics one, and it's so good. I don't know why it's so affordable. Actually, this reminds me of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow Gel. Is that what it's called? I think this one has a similar effect. So if you are from the United States, maybe you can pick that up, and let's swap stories on how it wears. And what I like about this brow routine is that it's so quick because that brow gel has a tint to it already, so I won't have to fill in my eyebrows as much as I do. Alright, so for eyes, I'm not gonna do something very glamorous. I just want a wash of color, so I'm gonna start with Raw Sienna first. I'm just using my Modern Renaissance palette because I actually want to play with this more often. I don't have the time to do so because I'm getting lazy at doing my makeup nowadays, and I only wear makeup whenever I have important events. So I'm usually just a bare face around campus nowadays, but I figured today is the day that I would bust out this palette and play with it, because since getting it, I haven't had much time to wear it around. And that shade is really nice as a transition shade. I could use the brush that comes with the palette, but I don't know. I don't want it to get dirty, I think. And I'm gonna take burnt orange like so and further warm up the crease. These two colors together are just the perfect match made in heaven when you want a natural crease going on. And then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just gonna run it along my lower lash line. I just want to make my eyelids pop a little bit, so I'm gonna take a little bit of Vermeer and then put it on my lids. Wow, that's pigmented. I forgot that this shade is super duper pigmented. So I'm just gonna tone it down a bit with some of that earlier shades we used. Okay, so I just want a little bit of a flick. So I'm just gonna first line that upper lash line and then create the subtle wing. Oh, that's cute. I hope I can replicate it on the other eye. Not the most similar wing that I've created in my life, but it will do, because if I do something, it will just aggravate the situation. So let's stop right there. I'm gonna highlight first because I want my highlight to be natural looking. I don't want it to be a stripe there. Bronzer. I don't really contour much. I just want a nice bronze to my face. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna pinch the brush and use that to add some warmth on my nose too. And then connecting it downwards. I'm gonna apply some blush. This is the Lasting Love blush from Kris, Aquino, and Beverly collab. And this is just a perfect hint of rosy mauve flush. Anyways, the last thing that I'm gonna do is put on my lipstick, and I'm gonna use this Revlon Black Cherry lipstick because I want to be bold today, and there's nothing more bold than a dark red lipstick. Yes, queen. My brows are not the best, I admit, but I haven't had the time to go on a threading lounge, so that will have to work for now. This mascara is almost at its end, so I may have to pick up a new one, though it's not as volumizing as the, what do you call that, Big Shot mascara, but it lengthens my lashes really beautifully and it separates it efficiently, like so. And that's the final look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this get ready with me / tutorial. I actually love the overall effect of this look. I'm feeling bold and fancy, and I feel like I'm gonna slay my exam no matter what. So yeah, I hope that you found this helpful, and if you did, then please click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see each other again in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you. Bye.